Tanggalin mo na dyan. Dito, akin dito. Dito ko sasaksak. Akin na. Tanggalin mo na dito na.
Hi guys, naka-ready na po itong vlog. Aray si ate! Nasaan si Queenie? Okay, wait lang. Wait lang guys, sinanap ko po kasi si Queenie. Lucky. Si Lucky. Parang ano yan? 1, 2, 3.
Ano, Elmer na putang ina. Naiyak sa akin yung babae ko ang sinabi sa akin. Buti hindi pa nag-isang na Elmer. Binak ako.
Guys,
Buti hindi pa nag-isang.
maglalaro ulit tayo ng yung part 1. Ayan yung nilaro ko, diba? Alam niyo na yan, pre-Jesus. Ganun kasi tawag ko dyan, guys.
Ano ba? Ang chuchu pa na yan. Tayo.
Aray ko si Paepal to. Tuwagin ko si Kuya. Joke lang, wala dito si Kuya. Nagbe-billiard. Napakaingay yun, man! Kanina pa eh. Napakaingay. Naghahang ngayon sa cellphone ko, guys. Naghahang siya. Wait guys Ayan. Di kasi nagcha-chard. Chard daw. Oh my gosh, bakit ayaw? Ayaw na naman yan. Guys, ng part 1, alam niyo na yung nilaro ko Alam niyo na yan, guys. Huwag tayo maingay kasi, English to.
God made for them. But Satan came as a crafty serpent and tempted Adam and Eve.
Okay, done. And ang cute naman. Wala ba ditong gold?
Kumain ulit? Ha? Tulog na.
Goldfish.
Hindi.
Oh.
Panag-isa na, Han.
Bakit nakatago to sa puno?
Hindi pa.
Did God say you must not eat the fruit from these trees? The serpent asked Eve. Just the tree in the middle, Eve replied.
Napakaingay guys. May nagdadasal dito. Huy! Dasal ba to?
Mabubuang na sa inyo lahat.
You won't
By God, di ko
die,
nakuha.
said the serpent. There's a reason why God doesn't want you to eat from that tree. If you do, you'll be like him. You'll know what he knows.
Okay. Nakatago ka pa.
Eve ate the fruit. She gave some to Adam, who was with her. He ate it too. And at once, they knew things they had never known before.
Guys, ayan. Nakaupat sila.
One thing they knew was that they were naked. They sewed leaves together to cover themselves. They'd never felt fear or shame before, so they knew something was wrong.
Oh, kaya pala.
Adam, God called.
Adam.
Eve. We're hiding, said Adam. We're naked. You know that because you ate from the tree, God sighed. Then Adam blamed Eve, and Eve blamed the serpent.
Lagi just one person, guys. Pag namatay po ito, hindi ko po pinatay yung vlog. Lobat na po. Pero po, isasave ko pa din to sa YouTube ko. Dumating daw yung Lord. Ay, hindi po.
God said, Serpent, you must crawl on your belly. A woman's son will defeat you. Eve, childbirth will be painful. Adam, growing food will be difficult.
Diba dito nakata? Bakit kaya
Then
sila?
God made clothes for Adam and Eve and sent them out of the garden. He put an angel with a flaming sword there so they could not return.
Pinaalas. Guys, pag namatay to, hindi ko to kasalanan, ah. Guys, totoo to. Pag namatay po ito, hindi ko po yan kasalanan. Pagkalubat po ang kasalanan doon. Aray. Diyan tayo sa may moon.
In the beginning,
Hindi pa kidding. That's what's that?
we live in a beautiful world. Just look at the amazing things
Wow,
around you.
eto na naman.
Let's go back to the beginning
Yung mga
and see what the Bible tells us
unggoy-unggoy.
about how it all began.
Yung mga unggoy-unggoy na naman, guys. Ang saya na tong lagi nito, guys. And parang totoo lang siya, no?
In the beginning, God made the heavens and the earth. God moved over the darkness and said, Light! He called the light day, and he called the darkness night.
Okay.
Day one, done.
Dan na, di ba? Dan
Then,
na.
God made a space to separate the waters above from the waters below. He called the space sky. Day two, done.
Dan na.
God gathered the waters together, and dry ground appeared. He called the ground land, and the waters seas. Then he made plants like grass, grain, and trees. Day three, done.
Okay, guys.
Then, God made lights in the sky. He made the sun for the day, the moon for the night, and all the stars. Day 4. Done.
Oh, ang galing. Palaki siya guys ng palaki. Paliit naman ng paliit. Palaki ng palaki. May tumatawag. Sino yun? Sino yun? Sino yun? Sino yun? Sino to? Di ko naman to kilala. Guys, tiga Chinese. Wala naman akong ate na ganyan. Ah? Hindi naman, wala naman akong ate na Chinese. Diyos ko naman. Hindi ko natuloy yung period ko. Ano nga part 1 yun? Guys, pag part 2, at lalaroin natin pag part 2. Basta di nyo yun alam kasi di nyo pa ata nalalaro. Babush!